Hi, in this video I will show you how to get Google VEO 3 access. In order to do that, head over to deepmind.google/model/VEO. You can try this on your Gemini as well as on the Flow. So for this case, click on the two options right here and choose which one, and then it should be able to open that particular source. So since I have chosen Google Gemini, it will open the Google Gemini for me right here in order to access it. Now, into here on your Google Gemini, you can see in here the subscriptions that it has, as well as Pro right there. So as you can see, we have a free plan. You can choose Google AI Pro, as well as a Google AI Ultra. So in here, you can see everything that has been added. We have the flow, storage, also have Gemini in Gmail, as well as a lot more. Now, in order to access the Gemini video, you need to do, or you need to get the actual Pro plan right here or the Google Ultra. You can also head over right here to what Gemini can do, go over to video generation, and you should be able to see in here as well our VO3. Do take note that it's available only under the subscription or when you're subscribed to Gemini. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.